Hello and welcome back to the Student Series. Today is episode 18 and I'm finally sanding the box. In the video that I just had to watch the entirety of, 23 minutes, Matt, 23 minutes on sanding.
It's an interesting topic.
It was suggested that with Purdue I would only have to go to 180 grit, but no, someone wants me to keep going.
Yep.
So I've got to do them all. 120, 180 and 240. Let's get to it. Matt has already picked up my box with greasy fingers. I hate him so much because I don't know how easy it is to get rid of grease marks, so I assume sandpaper will do the job.
Yeah. Yeah, might do.
Put a lot of work into this.
Yeah.
Every project from now on, if I can't get the grease marks out of this, I'm greasing up every one of your projects from now on.
That wouldn't be very nice.
It wouldn't be. It would be justice.
Yes, it would.
It would. But anyways, I've got 240 grit now to do all over the whole thing, and then I'll be done with this part and it'll be just down to the finishing.
Yes.
So I finished up the sanding with a 240 grit. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to get the air compressor on it. Because as you can see, the grain is just filled with dust, and the last thing I want is to put a finish on it and have the dust just fall out with that. So yeah, enjoy this. Okay, so that's sorted. Everything's looking nice and dust-free, I guess. Dust-free. I mean, it has sort of shown up all the little bits of tear out that I got, and
What, sand them out?
sand them out.
You have to.
Have you seen how deep some of those are?
Spray paint.
Actually go and scope them out.
You don't want them there, do you? Right. So,
I'm gonna give up.
get out my freaking way. I'm doing a lecture. When I'm teaching at the furniture making school, right? When I'm teaching at the furniture making, give me this rubbish. So you can make a box really well. Good dovetails, as you already said. Good
Thank you.
miters. But then if you sand it and you leave stuff like that in it, and you've just rushed that overall, I mean, it feels pretty good, but stuff like
Don't
that.
say you've. I haven't
No,
rushed
but like,
it. I've
it
just uncovered stuff
You've
that I
gone
didn't
through
like.
all of that, 20 episodes, give or take, and you're going to leave that little bit of tear out instead of cleaning it up.
Fine.
Stuff like this, the difference between top and middle grade, distinction and merit grade for you Americans or English, whatever. It's worth doing.
Okay,
It is worth doing.
I'll do it. It doesn't mean I like the box anymore.
Give me my pen.
I'm only going to burn it at the end of the series anyway. So after my telling off and Annoyingly, it's done quite well. There are no longer any blooming tear out marks or anything like that. All because of this little guy. And Matt giving me a serious lecture. But yeah, anyways, I'm quite liking the look of this at the moment, but it does need that finish, and that's what I'm gonna do now. I cannot wait to see what this looks like. It is satin. Blimey. Goofy. Certainly got some contrast on the dovetails now, as you said would happen. Bless ye, bless ye.